Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open your image and isolate the subject right away. You want a clean selection edge, so use Quick Selection or the pen tool to trace hair, edges, and overlapping objects. Make a layer mask or duplicate the subject to its own layer. Once isolated, hide the original background layer and double-check the mask at 100% zoom to catch stray pixels. Make sure edges are feathered subtly, 0.5 to 3 px, so the subject blends naturally when the background blur is applied. With the subject safely isolated, select the background layer to apply your blur. Choose an appropriate blur type, Gaussian for simplicity, lens for bokeh, or field blur for variable depth, and start with a modest radius, then increase until the background reads out of focus. If the scene has depth, create a depth map or use gradient masks to vary blur amount. Closer areas get less blur, farther areas more. Keep an eye on edges so the subject doesn't adopt halo artifacts. Refine the mask as you adjust. Finalize by blending the subject and blurred background. Add slight color grading and match noise or grain so both layers feel cohesive. Once done, check transitions at 100% zoom and apply mask refinements. Feather, shift edge, or paint with a soft brush to remove halos. If you see jagged edges, duplicate the subject layer, apply a tiny blur to the duplicate, and reduce opacity to soften borders. Make sure shadows and reflections align with the new blur for a believable composite. That fixes most visible issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.